Sibune! What do you want, Sibune? I found something very exciting. So you see the NES Classic right there? Yeah, the one that Dan got? Yeah, one found something similar and exciting. Let me go get it. I still don't know what it could be. Okay, I'm getting it. I found it at Target. Do you like it? Oh my God, Becky! Oh my God, we had to get Daniel to do an unboxing of this. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Don't forget the Snes Classic. Hey, Sibune, what are you doing? We want this to be pretty similar, so we're buying the Switch box since last time you did a really big unboxing was with the NES Classic, and it kind of has to do with that, so you're doing another unboxing. What am I unboxing? Oh, the Snes Classic? The what? Hello, it is Daniel here, and today we are going to be unboxing something very, very special. It is the Snes Classic. Normal voice now. Now, before we start, I'm doing the Switch box again because when we opened the NES Classic, I had no idea what to put it on, so I did this. So we're going to do the same thing. So Snes Classic, I wasn't even expecting to get. I kind of looked for it when it first came out, but I just didn't really think of it because I didn't think I'd really get it. That was a gift, so that's its own story. I think I explained it in that video. This one, I just went into Target today. I still have the bag over here. You can hear it. Yeah. And I just found 3 of these, just there. It was, 2, 3 o'clock when I went there today, so I snagged one of these. I for Christmas, I got a Target gift card for high value, and I just bought it, so, because I really wanted it. So, guess what? We're going to be unboxing it, so I'm going to lower the camera now, make it closer. So, on the back, ooh, a little spin. I've honestly never seen this artwork before. Can we zoom it in? Can we focus on it? Hold up. There. I've never seen this artwork before. But we've got 21 games. We've got Contra 3, Junction Country, Earthbound, Final Fantasy, F-Zero, Kirby's Dream Course, Kirby Superstar, Mega Man X, Secret of Mana, whatever. Yeah, you can read the rest. You can pause the video or look it up. You can pause the video right here. But I don't want to read. So, I just heard a kid scream or something. If you heard that, then I'm sorry. Oh my God. Okay, so we're going to unbox this. So let's begin with the opening part. Yay! Let's see if my unboxing skills have improved since last time. Because you know how great I am at unboxing these things. Oh, it is a little heavier than I swear. I remember it. Oh, I'm keeping the box, don't worry. Keeping the box. I feel like it's heavier than when I got the NES Classic. I mean, yeah, it comes with 2 controllers. Okay, there's the box. I'm gonna keep it back here. So, we have It's the manual. I'll go look at the rest in a sec. So last time it came with. Ooh, is there another poster? Not as cool. I'll try to hold up. I'll get a full thing here. I'll show you. I'll show the full scope. So here's an overview. They kind of show main games like Super Mario World, Super Metroid, Super Mario Kart, Star Fox, F-Zero. The light is covering. Anyways, so they outline screenshots of those games. Main games. That's cool. Not as cool as the NES one, I'll say. They got instructions. But anyways, back to the unboxing. Now with the rest of the unboxing. First, the main console. So let me just get rid of the cardboard and show you what we got. So this is the console itself, the main power. That is super sleek. It's nice. Looks good. It's very small. Very small. We'll probably show a little comparison. So you can turn it on, reset. open these, I think. Didn't even read the instructions. I probably look like a fool right now. Okay. Oh, down here. Oh, what? It's not opening. Okay. It kind of is, but okay. Anyways, that's the console. That is the console itself. Then we got the, sorry about that. Then we got power adapter. It's cool. A little different from the NES. What else? What other goodies? Wow, there's actually quite a bit. Okay. Next up, this is the exciting things. We got, look at that. USB is the USB. That's cool. You know, that's for that. What else do we have? Oh, we have wonderful HDMI cable. How long is this? I have no clue, but free HDMI cable. That's always nice. Okay, now let's actually get to the good parts. We have the controller and the cord. If I can improve on my skills. Hold up. And let's see. Okay, I'm opening it. Sorry about. Okay. After definitely longer. Pretty long, actually, longer than the NES. I'll go get the NES right here. This is, hold up. Okay, so the NES is, let's extend the camera over here, is about that long, and the SNES is, this long. You can tell, major difference. That's good. Let's, continue on with the rest of the unboxing. Probably the most unprofessional unboxing video on the internet, but whatever, it's fine. Then we have the second controller, virtually the same thing. Player 2. Thank God they did that, because I don't even have a second controller for my NES Classic, so that kind of sucks, but Player 2. So, this is the Snes Classic, and let's go see it in action. Hello, it's Dana right back again, and it's the next day. I hooked up the Snes Classic to the wall and all the way up there. I got it working. It's all good. It's cool. So we got the option of games. I was actually playing Kirby Superstar, 'cause I never played it. And yeah, so it works. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.